Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube application not responding error. So let's get started right away. If you're using the YouTube application and in the middle of using it, you get an error or the application is stuck, and when you wait for a while, you see an error telling you that YouTube has stopped working, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. First of all, tap on your recents icon and then swipe up from the YouTube application to quit the YouTube app. Then go ahead and open up YouTube and see once again if it is working correctly. If it still doesn't work, then long press on the YouTube application and tap on the info button. From this page, you can try tapping on the force stop button at the bottom right corner to stop the YouTube application. Then open the application once again and see if it works as it is supposed to. If it is still not responding, then scroll down from this application info page once again and tap on storage. Now try clearing your cache from the clear cache menu at the bottom right corner, and after clearing your cache, open up the YouTube app once again and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and tap on the delete button to delete all of the user data. Now your YouTube application should be working as it is supposed to. However, in the rare case that it is still not responding, open up the Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device and search for YouTube. Now from the YouTube application page, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. After installing the update, your application should now work as it is supposed to. You can also check for updates within your phone by going into your phone settings and searching for updates. If your phone software has not been updated for a long time, then you will not be able to download the latest updates for the YouTube app, which might be the cause why the YouTube application is not responding. So make sure that your device is also updated to the latest version of its software. And there you have it. That is how you can fix the YouTube not responding error on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.